Yeah, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to Wix at Fix It Garage, and we're actually going to work on a car part. Anyway, this is an alternator off a 2000 F150 4.6 liter engine. It quit charging. Of course, this is an older alternator I had took off, but now the other one I had put on there has quit charging also. But I think, if I remember correctly, something was wrong with this voltage regulator right here. And if it is, I'll have to go get us one, but I'll go get it. We'll put it back together and put it on the truck. Let's see. Get these out. They're catching. Got to slide it out. Yeah, it's got brushes on it. Yeah, there's the problem. That brush is gone. Yeah, this brush holder separates from the voltage regulator, because I bought a new voltage regulator, but at that time I didn't know this. But anyway, we'll continue here in a little bit. I'll have to run to the auto parts and get us a part, but we'll continue. Well, I'm back. To y'all, it's only been a second, but it's been a couple hours. I end up having to go to 3 auto parts to get this little brush housing with the brushes in it. You wouldn't think that'd be hard to find, but it is. But all in all, that truck is getting older. It's 23 years old. I told y'all wrong, by the way. It's a 2001, not a 2000. I don't know what I was thinking about. But anyway, this goes like that. You know, once you get these screws tightened up, if you was wondering what these little holes are for, I'll show you here in a second. Push them. There's a little hole right here too. Just push them in, and then that holds them. Of course, that one ain't long enough. But anyway, it's supposed to hold them till you get it in there, but you don't have to do that on this one. You've got enough room that you can just set it right in there. Of course, I don't want to break nothing either. I'm gonna at least hold that top one back. I don't want to mess nothing up. There we go. Let me turn that like that. Sorry. He never rings until I'm doing something. Yeah, but there ain't nothing to. That's the new voltage regulators. In case I forgot to tell you, that's what they look like now. They're made onto the alternator. I've got a missing bolt. I don't know what I did with it. Of course, like I said, it's been 4 or 5 years ago when I took this one out. I must have not tightened that one, it fell out, but I got plenty. I'll just have to go find one. That'll fit it. Well, that's all there is to it, to changing a voltage regulator and the brush housing. I don't think the rectifier or the diodes are bad. Like I said, when I seen those brushes, I knew that was what was wrong with this one. Just pull that out when you're done, and it's pretty simple. It's raining right now, but if it quits raining, I'll finish filming the rest of this when I can get to the truck. I made this little note just in case I didn't explain everything. Well, hey y'all, welcome back. I was showing y'all that alternator I was working on. So this is where it's going, down here. It ain't too hard to get off. So I gotta take this off. I'm gonna take that loose. I'm gonna have to take the hose loose from the top over there. Other than that, then the tensioners all the way down here. If y'all can see it, it's right there. Anyway, we'll see if we can't get it off there. I got my alternator here. Oh, I thought this would be a good place to show you some more stuff. Now that I got that, that's where the breaker bar or whatever you want to use to put in here to get your torque or tension off. And once you move all this out of the way, like I was talking about, all you like is just take this off and then pull your 2 plugs right here, and then I mean, you're pretty well good to go. Just take out the 3 bolts. And another tip, if you dump any antifreeze on the ground, wash it away immediately. If you have any pets, because if they drink it, it will kill them. Yeah, I work in the laboratory, so I know all about that. Alright, I've got a little farther to take off this bolt on the alternator that goes to the battery. That's a 10mm. And also on the torque bar or breaker bar for the tensioner, I took my hydraulic jack, or my jack for the cars I work on with, and used it so I wouldn't have to strain. Anyway, it makes it easy, and just lay that belt right there under your alternator. That way you ain't got to rewrite that belt. All you got to do is, when you're ready, is take that tension off, set it right back around that. Anyway, I was going to show you this too, what I do with that. On these clips, just take a little screwdriver, stick right down through the top of them, and pull back, and they'll come right unclipped. That way you don't break them. You can pull them right out. Or anything small, it doesn't have to be this, but something small enough to fit down in there, and pull back where it unpop that clip. But yeah, I'm ready to pull it out now. It's 3 bolts. Well, hey y'all, I got it out. What I didn't tell you is these are 10mm as well. The bolts, there's 3. There's of course one there and there, and there's one right here in the top. You can see where they go in. And there's one over here. I need to get that out of the way. That's going to be in the way when I put it back. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Like I said, there and the other 2. Yeah, keep that belt right there where I can just pull it up. But yeah, that's all there is to it, really. Well, it's all back together about 15 minutes later. If you don't have a meter or something to check your alternator charge, you can always do this. If it runs like this, you know it's running off the alternator. If it dies, you know it ain't right. See that thing start charging? Yeah, it don't like it when you do that, but that's the only way you can do it. Anyway, that's one more thing and I'll be done. I appreciate y'all watching. I hope this can help somebody. Thank you.